Hey, welcome back.
Blaze and I are ready to go to the ice cream shop.
Boy, I love ice cream.
So do I.
Hello there.
Oh, hello. Welcome to the ice cream shop. I'm Rufy.
Hi, Rufy.
Can you tell me who you are?
I'm Blaze, and this is my driver, AJ.
Pleased to meet you.
Is there something I can do to help?
We want an ice cream cone.
Well, you certainly come to the right place. Which ice cream cones do you need?
I think I want 3 scoops of ice cream.
Okay, Blaze. I'm on my way.
Thanks.
I think I want an ice cream cone too. And I want the same number.
Okay.
Nice one, Rufy.
Okay, Blaze and AJ. Enjoy your ice cream cone.
Thanks, Rufy. Yummy ice cream.
Agree. Hey, Blaze. Why don't we share those ice creams to other friends?
Great idea. AJ, give me some speed.
Ice cream, make it ice cream. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, rocky road. How many scoops and in a cup or a cone? Put your ingredients into the bowl and mix them up until they're cold. Ice cream, make it ice cream. It always tastes so sweet. Ice cream, make it ice cream. It's such a cool frozen treat.
Blaze! AJ!
Hey, that sounds like Zeg.
You are never going to believe what happened to Zeg's dinosaur friend.
Let's go check it out.
Zeg's Camptosaurus keeps on sneezing.
Is there anything we can do to help?
Of course there's a way.
I have an idea. We can use a medicine oil.
Yeah. A medicine oil is something to keep the sneeze away.
Here you go, Camptosaurus.
It's working.
The Camptosaurus stopped sneezing.
Now that the Camptosaurus won't get the sniffles again, we're ready to continue our adventure.
Zeg wanna find more dinosaurs that are sneezing.
Come on, Zeg, this way.
Keep on rolling. We can do it. Keep on rolling. We'll get through it. Keep on rolling. Let's get to it, 'cause we've got what it takes. Together we can make it through, 'cause there is nothing we can't do. We're gonna keep those wheels spinning around and around. Even when the going gets tough, we're never ever giving up. We can't stop till we get to where we're going. Yeah, we keep on rolling, we keep on rolling, we keep on rolling.
What's going on, Crusher?
Pickle, you see, I'm having the bad case of my sneeze.
But Crusher, you don't have a tissue.
Can you get me some for me?
Of course, I'll be back.
Hurry, Pickle, it's coming!
Okay, Crusher, here's your tissue. Thanks, Pickle. Okay, it's going to be a really big one.
Come on, sneeze whatever you want.
Alright, Pickle, here it is.
Ah! Gesundheit!
That was a loud sneeze.
Look, guys! Zeg found another dinosaur friend!
She's getting a cold!
It's called a Volcanodon, and she got a cold.
I have an idea! Instead of using medicine oil, we can use a cup of water.
That's a great idea, AJ. And speaking of that, we can use suction.
Yeah! Suction is when it happens when the air fills an empty space.
Zeg wanna pour some water!
I'm also going to pour some water too.
Now we can figure out which cup has the most. Switching to Pfizer View. I need your help. Who has the most cup? Blaze or Zeg?
Blaze!
Blaze! Right!
Here you go, Volcanodon.
She looks like she's feeling better!
Look, everyone. I see another dinosaur.
What kind of dinosaur is that?
The Pteranodon!
The Pteranodon! Yeah!
And Zeg noticed he's got the sniffles.
I have an idea. Maybe we can build our own ramp.
Great idea, Blaze!
And with suction power, it's time to use some suction power blazing speed.
Blazing speed, blazing speed! I can't wait!
To give us suction power blazing speed, say, let's blaze!
Let's blaze!
Woohoo!
Zeg!
Yeah!
Here you go, Pteranodon! Medicine oil is here!
He's feeling better!
Bust my tires! The Pteranodon loves the medicine oil. Aw, you're welcome, little Pteranodon.
Nothing's going to stop us because we've got
Suction power!
See you later, Pteranodon!
Thanks for the medicine oil. And we'll see you later too.
Suction, 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 suction. It moves to fill up an empty space. When you get a straw and drink it up, there's suction, suction. Air flows in to fill up a vacuum bag, taking in the dust and dirt. With suction, suction, an empty space opens up. Air rushes in to fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. Hey, 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 hey. Suction when air moves to fill an empty space. Air is rushing in. Suction, suction. Suction when air moves to fill an empty space. Air is rushing in. Suction.
Guess what I found, Pickle?
What is it, Crusher?
I found a dinosaur called the Euoplocephalus.
What does this dinosaur for?
Here, let me show you. I just need my microphone to call my dinosaur friends.
Where did you get that microphone from?
Oh, I got it from the toy box. Now, watch me as I call the Euoplocephalus to my friends.
Go for it, Crusher!
Okay, here goes nothing. Hey there! Ah!
What a loud dinosaur call!
It's Blaze and the Monster Machines. It's Blaze and the Monster Machines. Buckle up, gonna roll. Yeah, we're ready to go with Blaze. You'll be amazed. It's Blaze and the Monster Machines. It's time.